everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Guess what I have? Yeah, I pulled the trigger. I am a sucker for Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes. But come on, it was 50% off. I'm not sure when this video is going up, but as of my filming today, Saturday, July the 15th, it's still on sale. I love Charlotte Tilbury products. I think I'm the perfect target audience. I love glowy skin and I love neutral shades. What I don't like about Charlotte Tilbury is, dang, she's pricey. But that doesn't stop me. I take advantage of her sales, her loyalty program, and when she does a mystery box. All right, inside the box we have lots of paper padding, and then there's some beautiful tissue paper, and then here is the fantastic box that's magnetic, which contains all of the products in the mystery box. As you can tell, it's not my first time getting a mystery box. Also, when you make a purchase on charlottetilbury.com and are a member of her loyalty program, she offers free products. Last time I made a purchase, I got one of those quad luxury palettes, you know, the ones that retail for $53 for free. This time I got a brush. This will be the first time I've ever tried a brush from Charlotte Tilbury. This is what the brush looks like. It's the same coloring, packaging, that nice deep red brown, and this is what the brush is about. It's definitely synthetic, and it's not super dense but not super fluffy. It's like average, I would say, kind of in between. It's super soft and will be perfect for blending eyeshadow. You also get 2 free samples. This time I didn't get to choose. Well, I got to choose, but not really. They only offered 2 and you get 2, so I picked one of each. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this here is the Charlotte's Magic Cream. I own both of those, but hey, free samples. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in the summer 2023 mystery box. Now, when you open this up, it does come with tissue paper. Although this time it's not gently folded with a sticker. It's just kind of scrunched on and shoved on top. All right, first item, what are you? This here is the FELINE Flick Quick Fine Line Shoto Pen. I think this is an eyeliner, which I recently did a full face of all Charlotte Tilbury, but I didn't have an eyeliner, so I am super excited to finally get an eyeliner. Okay, it does not have a roller ball. This is what the tip looks like. Ooh, it's quite long. I made 2 separate lines, and it gets on there very, very thinly, which is fantastic. I also prefer quite a longer tip like this one has. It reminds me of the double take I have from Tarte, which I appreciate, because if it's so long like this, it makes it easier just to kind of lie it and just drag it, and you don't get much stuttering. All right, I will be super excited to give this a try. All right, next item, what is this? The box is an interesting shape. All right, so this is the Full Fat Lashes, which is a 5-star mascara. Oh, okay. For some reason, the shape of the box, I thought they were false eyelashes. It says, curl, separate, volume, length, drama. Well, that is what I would hope every mascara has, but we all know marketing. I'm going to leave this in the box because I'm not seeing the word waterproof anywhere, and your girl here only wears waterproof mascara. All right, next product. What is this? All right, so this is Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil. Crystal Elixir, fancy wording for lip oil. I'm not seeing a shade color, so I'm going to assume it's going to be clear, but let's take it out and do a swatch. Okay, the packaging is very different. I don't know, in my head I was picturing it as a typical kind of lip gloss, but this is more like a squeezy tube. Oh, but okay, it doesn't have, I thought it would have one of those slanted, kind of like a lip balm. It's a roller ball. Let's get some on the back of my hand. Okay, yes, it is clear. It feels pretty thick. Let's take a sniff. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like coconut, possibly. All right, I'm probably going to regret doing this because it's going to mess up my lips. I'm already wearing lipstick and lip gloss, but let's see if I can try it on. I think it's comfortable. Honestly, since I already had lip products on, it doesn't feel sticky. It does feel comfortable. And it smells fantastic. All right, is it the best Charlotte Tilbury product to get in a mystery box? No, but it's something I will actually use. I'll take a clear lip oil over a red lipstick that I'll never wear, or a mascara that isn't waterproof. All right, what else came in the box? Ooh, whatever this next product is, it is heavy. All right, so this here is the Glow Toner, which is a daily radiant glow solution. I love toners and I love to glow. Mix the two together for a lazy girl. Yes, please. All right, this is what the packaging looks like. It's so heavy, I thought it would be glass, but no, this is plastic. Why are you so heavy? How much product do we get? Oh wow, 150 ml or 5 fluid ounces. All right, she comes safety sealed and it looks kind of like a milky, cloudy formula. Let me see, does it have a scent? Ooh, it does. A different scent than I thought. Let's take a look here. Okay, nice. It's one of those ones where you tip it over and it's not pouring out. You gotta shake it and then a few drops come out. It definitely is milky. I don't know what's gonna show up on camera there. Let's take a sniff. Yeah, okay. I was fearful that it was gonna smell super perfumey. Sometimes Charlotte's skincare products can be a little floral. This honestly smells very earthy, but a good earthy, like a spa earthy, if that makes sense. If you've ever smelled some of the earthier spa-like scents from Elemis, that's the vibe I'm getting. All right, I'm not mad at that product. Is it makeup? No, but I still will use and enjoy it. All right, next product. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be a lipstick. This is the Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Catwalking. I have high hopes, but I do get disappointed. So many brands will call something nude and it's not what I would definitely refer to as a nude. Come on, Charlotte, please be a shade I will love and enjoy. Oh, well, it is a nude, but it's a darker nude, which it's also very orangey. But I bought it, I'm going to swatch it, and we will deal. Okay, well, I have a lot of lipsticks this shade, so it's practically what I'm wearing now. In fact, I've already swatched it. I own it. I might as well see what it looks like. Okay, it was very similar to what I was wearing. It's a little more warm, slightly, I don't want to say orange. It has a little more oranginess, warmth to it. Because, you know, oranginess, not a word, but it's a little more, it's not red, but it's more sienna, burnt sienna. That's probably a better description than oranginess. Is it my favorite shade when I hear the word nudes? No, but it is something I can wear. All right, and then the last item. All right, yay, we got some makeup. And I was like, hey, where's the value in this box? Right here. I'm assuming this is an eyeshadow quad. Yes. Okay. So these retail for $53. So this one product is covering 1/3 the value of the box. If you haven't seen her quads before, this is how the packaging comes. And let's take a look at the color story. Ooh, wait, are those all shimmers? That is beautiful. I think these are all shimmers. Interesting. They are all shimmers. All right. So that's what they look like on my fingers. And here they are on the back of my hand. Oh goodness, my lights are super bright. This is the deepest one. Here is the medium one and then the lightest one. Yes, so those are beautiful. All right, let's recap everything I got in the latest mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury. Got the Magic Lip Oil, the Feline Flick Liquid Eyeliner, the Full Fat Mascara, the Glow Toner with niacinamide, the Super Nudes Lipstick in Catwalking, and the Pillow Talk Luxury Palette of Pops. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is not horrible, but I've had better mystery boxes. I love toners and I love products that make my skin glow. I don't think I would have ever picked this up on my own, so I'm really excited to get this and be able to try it because of her mystery box. Because I only wear waterproof mascara, getting a mascara in any box is very disappointing for me. I know others would probably love to try a mascara from Charlotte. Not me. I always use and wear liquid eyeliner, so I'm glad we got one in this box. And I finally have a liner from Charlotte in my collection. I will use and enjoy this lip oil. Is it the best type of product to get in a box? No, but I've had worse. I love her lipstick formula. Is this the best shade ever for me? No, but it is wearable. If I mix it with the KKW, which is a little too soft in peach, that would be perfection. I love that the box included one of her luxury palettes because these 4-pan palettes retail for $53, which, come on. I would never spend $53. Well, I don't want to say never. Not very often would I shell out $53 for a 4-pan eyeshadow palette, but I love getting them in mystery boxes. I also got this makeup brush, which technically wasn't part of the mystery box, but I got it for free because I'm part of her loyalty program. And if you look on her rewards page, if you spend over a certain amount of money, she offers up free products. When you're buying a mystery box, it's easy to hit over $100. So I'm very excited I get to finally try a makeup brush from Charlotte. All right, now I want to hear from you. What do you think of this box? $124 is a little pricey. I'm going to list the actual MSRP value. I'll be curious in editing to see how much over $124 this box value will be. Knowing that eyeshadow palette alone is $53 and how expensive Charlotte's products are, I want to say the lipstick is like $35, so right there we're already at $88. So yeah, you definitely get your money's worth. The lip oil and the elixir, I'm actually excited for this elixir, but I know not everyone enjoys skincare as much as I do, and they might be a little disappointed that it wasn't all makeup, but I'm not mad at that product. I could have done without the mascara, but that's a me issue, and I'm kind of used to it because we get mascaras a lot. It's a really good universal product that ends up in mystery boxes. It's very similar to getting like a translucent powder or a clear brow gel. It doesn't matter what kind of skin type, skin tone, or what your age is, a mascara is very universal. So I get why it's in the box. I just wish every blue moon they would throw in something that's waterproof. All right, I'm very curious to know what you thought of this box. If you would consider picking it up. Did you think it was a little meh? She's had better boxes, but I've also experienced worse mystery boxes. So for me, this was a decent box. But let me know your thoughts. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, if you could click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.